MIKEGTV. Since I don't got nothing else to do, I might as well go to that junkyard again and get the lights for the bumper. I'm gonna buy both of them because I'm gonna try to do that. Put the LED strips in them. I might as well buy an extra one anyway. The guy told me $15 each, so I might as well grab both of them. But right now I'm downtown Providence, trying to make it to 195. It says I will be there. This GPS is going crazy. Let me see. 33 minutes.
200 yards, turn left.
So they say they close at 4, so I should be able to make it. But with this traffic, who knows? I didn't even make it to the highway yet, but we'll see. I was on my way up there, and he called me back because I called and left a message. And he just told me to come tomorrow, that the sun's not there, and so I'm just gonna go up there tomorrow, I guess. It's a good thing I was only in East Providence when he called back, because if I would have went up there for nothing, I would have been really mad about that. It's kind of far to be driving for no reason. But I'll go up there tomorrow, early tomorrow, grab those lights, and that's about it. I don't know. Maybe I'll cut them open and install the LEDs and the LED strips in there. I don't know. We'll see. But right now, I'm getting back on the highway to go the other way, to go back to Providence, and there's a lot of traffic. It's Friday. It is, what, 2:35? It's a lot of traffic. Well, it's starting to stop right now, but yeah, till tomorrow. All right, it's the next day. I'm on my way to the junkyard to pick up those bumper lights. And of course today it's raining. So now I gotta walk through a whole bunch of mud to get to the car. But gotta do what I gotta do. It's already 10:22. This place closes at 12. I'm gonna make it. It's just, why they close so early on the weekends? The weekends is when people work on their car. Most people. But says I got 20 minutes left. I hope it's not raining out there, because I don't want to be full of mud, man. I'm tired of walking through mud pits and whatever you call it. But yeah, I'll be there soon. All right, I finally made it to this place again. Hopefully this guy better be here. I'm not leaving without this pot today. Another hike in the rain. Is that a Camry wagon? Put you guys on time lapse. I don't know if they moved it or what, but I don't see the car. I'm pretty sure it was over here last time. lot of walking. A lot of driving, a lot of walking. I see it. It's right over here. Trunk's open today. They've been ripping this car apart. I see it don't even got a bumper. And they've been ripping it apart. Hopefully the pieces, the clips, are even on there. Yeah, I see a couple. I only need 3 anyway. I was gonna buy that bumper. It's a good thing I didn't. That damn strip looks good though. Shit, I might have to. But let me get this off because it's raining out here. It's really nothing here for me, nothing else. So let me get these pieces off and get up out of here. I walked all the way back here just for this thing. And then these things are rotted out. But the bumper that I have doesn't have any. I probably don't even need them, but I'm just grabbing them just in case. The newer bumper that I bought, the newer bumper that I bought didn't have the clips in it, so didn't have the lights either. That's why I'm up here. But let me walk all the way back to the office and pay for this and get up out of here. All right, I got both of the lights. They was already out. This one I don't really need, but this is the one I really need. And it's already open. That's good, so I can put the LED strips in there. But I'm on my way back home. I gotta get out of here. I'm here sitting in traffic. I figured I try to break the other one free, but I got it without breaking it. So now both of them are open. I can put the LED strip in there. I'm just trying to make it home, man. I'm working even in traffic. Never ends. All right, I got the bumper on. I didn't even wash it or nothing. It was all raining yesterday, all day yesterday. But I'm gonna change this. I'm gonna take the one off the other one, the metal piece. I'm gonna change the plastic too, I guess, because it's messed up. And I'll change the plastic one of this. I guess I'm gonna change this too because it doesn't look really good. So I gotta take the bumper back off because I have to take this out for the guy to paint it, the fella. Yeah, he gotta paint in there, so that's how it looks. But I don't know what they call this, the bumper guard. That's definitely coming off because it's broke. The one I got is a little bit better, but it's messed up over here in the corner from the accident. That grill is out of here. I don't even know why I'm touching this. Look at what happened from me. Can't even see. I got poison ivy for messing with that bumper. So let me go wash my hands. I just finished putting these together. I put the LEDs in here. I used the hot glue to seal all the way around. I got the wire coming out the back right there. I gotta buy those connectors, but I gotta order those. The other one Same thing. Finally got around to putting the LEDs in here. I'm gonna hook them up for you guys real quick. I should have had the wires ready, but I don't. All right. Red to red, black to black. These wires are so little. But I have to buy those connectors. I forgot which ones they was. But I'm pretty sure they're still in my eBay, in my watch list. I hope this thing comes out nice and bright because I don't want to have to take these apart again. These wires are too skinny. Could barely see them. Alright, everything should be all set. First turn on. And they're working.
Oh, baby.
They look alright. Let's see how they look on the car, but it's not gonna be for a while because I gotta order those connectors. So I'm gonna put both of them in the car, but see how they look when they when the connectors come in. I'm gonna order the connectors right now. Let me turn the light off. I don't know why I didn't turn off the light. It's still bright in here. It's daytime, so see how it comes out when they're all done in the car. This accident really messed me up, man. I've been traveling, I've been going crazy trying to get the parts back for this car. Right now I'm on my way back to Tiverton. I think it's Tiverton. I don't even know where, but it's far. I gotta go back to the junkyard just to get the bumper guard, the rubber thing that goes all the way across the front bumper. I gotta go way out here. This is I think my third time coming out here for this because of this accident. The first time I came was to get the fender and the header panel, and I just looked at the header panel yesterday. And it's rotted inside, so I'm not going to be able to use that. Unless the guy can cut the piece out and weld it, but I'm pretty sure he don't want to do that. I'm sick. I got poison ivy. I'm telling you, man, I've been traveling like crazy to get parts for this. You see in the video, I'm going from junkyard, and these junkyards are far. This ain't close. This is more. These junkyards are more than maybe half hour, 45 minutes away. And I went to the one way out there twice already. the one I'm going to now, this is what, my third time going there. I got the fender, the header panel one day. Then I went back for the, what did I get last time? I forgot what I just went up here. But this is my third. It's crazy, man. I just want this to be done and over with. All the troubles with the insurance company and everything, man. This is like the worst ever, yo. But I got to do it to get my car back the way it was. I remember what it was now. It was the two front lights for the bumper, the signal lights that go inside the bumper. That's what I went out here for. What was it, Friday? Yeah, I think I came out here Friday. Now I'm going back again to get the bumper guard. Come on now, man. I'm gonna have to get another fender. The guy said he might take the car. I don't know if he's gonna take it Friday, but I gotta get this stuff as soon as possible because he can't work on the car if he don't got the parts. So I need another fender, a good fender. So yeah, this is the stuff that I'm going through. I'm telling you, I'm spending a lot of money. I'm driving this car everywhere I go. This is costing me a lot of money in gas and a lot of time wasted just back and forth to junkyards and searching for parts. And you see, I went to all the way to what was that, Harrisville, to go try to find the bumper. I finally found the bumper. Now I'm putting the bumper together. It's crazy, but gotta do what I gotta do, man. I already bought the bumper. The bumper cost me $150. I paid $50 for the ride up there and back. Then I had to buy the lights to go inside the bumper. That was another $30. Now I'm going up here to go get the bumper guard. The dude told me he'll give it to me for $10. But I gotta do it because the one that came on the bumper got a cut in it. And the one that was on my other bumper, the one I got an accident with, it's broken too. So can't even talk loud because I start coughing. But yeah, this is the stuff I gotta go through, man. It's a pain. All right, this is what I came up here for. Just this piece. It's gonna end up being a half tank of gas. Just for that $10 piece. I know I'm driving the guy crazy. I've been up here 3 times already. But, like I said, I gotta do it. These parts are really hard to find, so I gotta get them where I can. And I don't know what I'm gonna do for a fender. If anybody sees this video and knows where I can get a driver's side fender for a 4-door Cutlass, the one with the chrome trim on the bottom, let me know. The one I just bought is in way better shape. This is the cut I was talking about. That's why I gotta take that off. But this one looks way better. I see it's a little messed up right there. But that's it. It's better than the one that's on the bumper.